Hi everybody, welcome to this week 8 module video, and we're going to be going over what is going on for this week's material. So if you're watching this video, that means you at least entered this week 8 module overview and learning objectives. So by the end of this module, you'll be able to determine intervals in which a function is increasing, decreasing, critical values, max or mins, absolute max or mins, hypercriticals, concavity, and using first and second derivatives together, as well as a second derivative test. So after exam 1 week, we were just kind of back to normal with the same flow of things. So you're going to want to watch section 3.1 and 3.2 lecture videos. There's going to be a self-check 3.1, 3.2 that's due Thursday. Make sure to watch the video if you don't know how to do the problems. They're pretty similar to the notes, but just watch the videos in case you need to. And then we have homework for 3.1 and 3.2 on XYZ. Lab 5 would be due from this week's material. Make sure you do your Lab 5 discussion as well. Okay, so that's the overview. So the first section we're going to be doing is 3.1. Once again, this is about intervals of increase, decrease, critical values, finding absolute or relative max or mins of a function. Okay, so a lot of derivative stuff. And then here is it's kind of a longer section. But here are the lecture videos. So it's broken down into 4 parts. Okay, some of them are around, like 8 to 10 minutes. One of them is about 20 some minutes. So pace your way through it, but make sure to watch those, okay? And then second section is 3.2, more derivative stuff, but this time it's more focused on the second derivative. We'll be learning hypercritical, concavity, and then second derivative test. That's mainly the concept for 3.2. Okay, so 3.2 broken down into 2 videos. Also pace through that as well. 3.1 and 3.2 are just more applied with maximum mins. So watch out for those application problems, okay? Self-check, we have our self-check here, 3.1, 3.2. If you want to check that out, that's due Thursday. And then here is the self-check video. So here's 3.1 self-check and here's 3.2 self-check, okay? So make sure to watch those in case you're struggling with the material. Here's XYZ for 3.1. Here's XYZ for 3.2. And then we have our Lab 5 discussion, just from Lab 5. Same discussion protocols as always. I rearranged the groups because there were just some groups that were very inactive, like only 2 students participating. So I rearranged them and should get more participation now. But after this, it was just a Lab 5. Here's Lab 5. Covers 3.1, 3.2. And then within the lab, I kind of give some hints because we're dealing more with these applied problems. So, for each one, I kind of give a hint, except for 58 because it's a little self-explanatory with the graph. But yeah, so read through the hint. It's kind of broken down like exactly what we did in the notes. Point of diminishing return, minimizing, maximizing, things like that. So, use the hints if you need to, but if you think you're good, just go ahead and try for it. You can also check your solutions too. Then after that, that's it for the module. You completed all the assignments, self-check, XYZ, discussion, lab. And then in the coming sections with chapter 3, we're going to be learning some more optimization skills and some more things like elasticity of demand and inventory costs and things like that. So derivatives help us calculate these things. But that's it for week 8, and then we'll see you in week 9. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. Bye.